2-6, Echo is on the third deck for RV. Be advised, primary entry point is clear, but that window is rapidly closing.
Roger. Well down in 3 mics. 2-6 out.
3 minutes.
In 3 minutes, my people will be inside. They will kill all of you.
I chose to take you alive. I could still change my mind.
You have the wrong man.
Lies. Tell them what you've done.
We did not steal the gas.
Who did?
Someone very dangerous.
Where is it?
I wish I knew.
The butcher is outside. They'll burn the city if they have to.
Save yourself, daughter. Join us. Do not talk to her.
Hey! Tap the brakes.
I am not your child, old man. I lead soldiers. You train killers.
But we are all killers here, no?
They're gonna breach. We gotta move now! 3-1 to 2-6, shots fired. Move to secure the HVI, will advise. Copy 3-1. Bravo's on station, reposition and prep for evac.
30 seconds.
Roger, 30 seconds.
There's a large group of unknowns moving on the front gate.
Al-Qatala's down there.
Let's reach the perimeter.
Yeah, put us on the roof.
Roger.
But we have to reach Echo fast. We've got a lot of hell headed that way.
All arms fire.
RPG!
Someone is hit. Power up. Stay on the collective. One holder.
You broken?
I'm good.
Echo 3-1, primary extraction failed. We're down on the roof.
Understood. What's the call, Captain?
There's a safe room in the basement. Head there, we'll be right behind you.
Roger, we're moving.
We have to reach the safe room before Al-Qatala does.
And the embassy personnel?
Al-Qatala's here for the wolf. So are we.
Good, you're here. They need 5 minutes to finish up. What can I do to help?
Find weapons. Barricade the doors.
To the extraction team!
Not yours. You! Open this door. Lock it behind us.
Echo 3-1. Wolf is secure in the basement safe room. Be advised, the butcher is outside, yellow shirt.
I have eyes on him. We're breaking through now. We need a new extraction point, fast.
Oh my god!
To engage these guys, sir.
Negative. They get to this side of the glass, they'll reach the wolf before we do. We clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. Take point.
You! Open this now.
Everyone
You
back.
only want the wolf. No one else has to die today.
Who has the keycard?
I do!
How about you, Captain? Are you gonna let them die?
Papa, feet!
Kyle, we're moving.
Save his life, Sergeant.
Now,
Give
Sergeant.
us the wolf! Mercy is weak. Bring the truck around!
Hey, we'll get him. Count on it. 3-1, enemy vehicle is inbound. What's the status of extraction?
Building's locked down. No way out, Captain.
Move up. 3-1, AQ's breach. We're inside and headed your way.
Roger that.
Target.
Got a target, north side. Enemy at the corner. Check northwest.
get to the basement, Kyle. Take one.
Locked.
I've got it.
Raj, be advised. Hostiles outside the station.
3-1, we're here.
Vera, still fighting a good fight?
Always, Captain.
The ambassador's still inside, sir. He's trapped.
Okay, keep him on the line. He may be our way out of here. Adir, thanks for the assist.
Our pleasure, sir.
Umar Suleiman.
Have we met?
Yeah, back when you were on our side.
The wolf was a freedom fighter.
I still am, brother.
The Butcher's men are closing on the ambassador, Captain.
Rog. Kyle, man these cameras. Direct the ambassador to safety. We'll need his key card to open the rear doors. Rest of you on me.
Mr. Ambassador, can you hear me?
I'm gonna lock the door. Stacy, hide!
Ambassador!
Get my Wait down!
Shit. Captain, the ambassador is down, but I can lead his assistant to you.
Do it. We need the key card.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
This is Sergeant Kyle Garrick.
Stacy Davidson.
Just do exactly as I say, and we'll get you safe. Take the ambassador's keycard and move to the door.
Okay, I have the key card. What now?
Go right. There's a cabinet at the end of the hall. There's a cart by the door. Stay low.
What is he?
Pillar.
What is the wolf?
That's the fucking butcher.
I don't know! Don't lie to me. The wolf is here! Tell me where.
Where do I go now?
I'm just an analyst! Someone else knows! I don't have someone else. I have you.
Sergeant Garrick.
Get to the shelf.
Who does not belong in my country. This is not your land. No, wait, please! You don't want me to come to your country and take your people?
Go to that middle desk. Stay low.
No, but I can't help you. That's too bad for you.
They're killing you. Hello? Sergeant Garrick.
Other side of the desk. Go. Go to the hallway, now. Continue down the hallway. Go!
Adam.
No! Stacy, pick up the phone!
Stacy.
We have to get you out of here.
God damn it, Stacy, leave him!
I'm sorry, Adam.
Don't scream, Stacy. Don't move.
I want to go home.
We'll get you there, Stacy. You're almost out. He's gone. Get to that cubicle. Go to the other cubicle.
Shit.
Next cubicle. Move. Get to that shredder.
Okay, I'm going.
There's a guard blocking the exit. You'll have to distract him.
What do I need to do?
Now use it. Other side now. Hug the wall. Get to the exit. Run!
Holy shit!
Get her out. Sergeant, we got her. Let's regroup in the parking lot.
Roger that, boss.
All stations this net. The embassy has fallen. Marines are setting up a rally point at the ambassador residence.
This is Captain Price, SAS. We're working our way to you. Garrick, we're leaving.
Roger that.
There. Watch on Suleiman.
Captain.
What's the plan?
Link up with the Marines at the southern compound.
Where's the compound?
Not far. Through the alley across the street.
Let's get there.
All right, Gary. Open it up.
Here. Thank you, Sergeant. You saved my life.
This keycard may save all of us.
Here they are. Expect contact.
They're here.
On the street.
Watch the road.
Alley across the street, move! Echo 3-1, you're cleared to move up.
Raj, coming to you.
What's the movement?
يلا المكان مؤمن هون.
We're compromised.
Reposition, now!
There's a compound.
Garrett, use the key card. Get us in.
This is Bravo 6, SAS.
Didn't think you'd make it. We need a secure room to store prisoner.
Yes, sir. Secure room in the residence. Follow me.
There's left to do. Stand guard. Watch him.
We will be back for him. I will be gone, brother, but we will meet again.
Roger, this is 06. I need air support and I need it now.
Negative 06. Can't risk another bird.
Kate, get me something. We'll be fighting the whole bloody city.
The only drone in range needs a refuel. Can't stay up for long.
Just get it here. 06 out. Alex, Kabir, go north. Cover that roof. Kyle, Farah, you're with me.
Roger, Captain.
Rog.
Captain, Marines have got the embassy covered if they follow.
Nothing out there, sir.
They'll be back. They'll come from the other side.
How do you know?
'Cause I would.
She's right. Reposition across the roof. Now. Dig in. I want a line of sight across that field.
Check 12, Cat 8. Multiple military-age males.
Unarmed. Stay with them.
2 more.
Potter,
They're messengers.
looking our way. No bueno.
Track them.
On it.
Something's got him spooked.
Check right. 2 more.
They're bugging out.
This ain't right.
We got more unknowns far into the field probing.
Fighters. They're here for us.
They're moving on us.
Shit, lost them.
Alex?
All quiet.
Hang on, got movement. Midfield, 11 o'clock.
Where?
Negative, just the wind.
Hold your mud.
They're watching us, Captain.
Another word, and I'll send you out there.
Yes, sir.
They're targeting the lights.
Clear to engage?
Engage one. They're blind.
Quiet.
Eyes on the ground.
Launch a flare. We'll pick them off in the light.
Illumination rounds. Light us up, Kyle.
Fire in the hole!
Got movers back in the field.
Engage! Engage!
Incoming from the east!
They're moving in the field. Got a visual. They're swarming the field. Shit!
Keep your head down! Room out!
Moving in the field.
HQ, set up the edge point.
Hold that back!
I can't see where they're shooting from!
Someone set up a flare.
Fire in the hole.
Hold the perimeter.
It's not over. There'll be more.
Give me a round count.
Getting low.
About half.
Almost out.
Check your shots. Make them count.
Two trucks moving south far into the field.
Copy.
Probably getting the fuck out of Dodge.
They're repositioning.
Get off the roof! Leave it! Damn it!
All stations, no movement in the field. Go black.
I move to the north building for resupply.
We'll set security.
Roger. Let's top off and gear up inside, Sergeant. Open up! Stay low, and do not leave this building. Sergeant, load up, come and see me.
Roger.
Bravo 6, this is Jaguar 4-1, on station for close air, guns hot.
Copy, 4-1, stand by for target.
Birds inbound for close air.
One drone, low fuel.
Roger, actual.
We have a drone on station. I need you to mark targets.
We should roll up the wolf and get off the X.
Negative. We defend this position, we live to fight another day.
Cut bait?
We may have to.
We need that drone, eh?
Rog, on my way. Roof, now!
This way.
Good eye, fella.
06, Jaguar 4-1 is overhead for fire mission, waiting on your mark.
Guys, what the hell's going on in this building?
Fire. cloud. Direct. Splash.
We're clear.
Not for long.
East side.
Unknown vehicle across the field.
A civilian?
Or a car bomb.
He's headed our way.
Are they armed?
No visual. They moved on. We're good.
Zero 06, Jaguar 4-1, you've got enemies inbound from the east, over.
Solid copy.
On the street!
Got a visual! Mark the target with a green beam.
Copy, missile inbound.
Solid shot, Garrick. Secondary vehicle, on the road.
Head to the street!
Nice fucking hit, pal.
Blocking.
Hit back. Firing. Direct.
Solid shot, Garrick.
Copy, missile inbound.
Loading. We're inside the perimeter. Nice fucking hit, Kyle.
Hey, cover me! Got it!
Any cover! Watch for that!
Sergeant, shoot the green beam.
06, Jaguar 4-1 is bingo fuel. Egressing at this time.
Roger 4-1, thanks for the assist.
What does this mean?
He's out of gas. We're on our own again.
Focus up. Up in the building. Go! In the building! Target, 40 meters out! Fire in the hole! Three-story building, northeast.
No shot!
We gotta take him out.
I'll go! Not allowed!
Sorry, go with the deer. Take out that mortar team and get your asses back here.
We'll cover you from here.
Back them up.
Locked! Push me over the wall. I'll get us inside. This way!
06, we're at the target building. Moving interior.
Roger that. We'll hold it.
All stations, Bravo 2-6. All mortars down. Building is clear.
Rally back at the compound.
Sister, they're bringing in more fighters.
In the field. They're inside the compound.
Look out to the wall!
Fall back to the residence. They're inside, Captain. AQ breached the residence building. Taking fire from the residence. Let's go to the wall. Get over there now. On the wall. All Bravos to the residence building now. Kyle, get to the wall safely with the residence building. Sergeant, residence building. Wall safe room, now. Everyone, get back to the residence before they free the wall! Right for the horn! Lift the kick! Get in there, guys!
Stacy, get out of here now! Doors down, they need help!
Clear.
All clear?
He's gone.
They breached the wall.
Fucking hell. They got him, Captain.
We will find him.
Hadir, get your team to the crossroads. Bring everything you've got.
Yes, sister.
What's the plan, Farah?